This is the ToughBuilt Builder Pouch. Organize your tools faster and easier. Designed to meet the rigorous demands of today's professional contractors, carpenters, and framers. This pouch includes ToughBuilt's patented ClipTech Hub, which allows it to clip on and off any belt or ToughBuilt bag. This pouch works great by itself or part of a full rig. The large main pocket fits your tools like utility knives, chisels, pliers, nail puller, torpedo level, combination square, and others. The front pocket holds your nails, screws, and other fasteners, and even your chalk line or tape measure. A quick access rafter square fits in the top, and screwdrivers easily secure into side pockets. It also features an extreme duty hammer loop and tape measure clip. This pouch is constructed with an integrated kickstand that allows it to stand upright on the ground or table close at hand. Combining multi-layer 1680 denier construction and Rivet reinforced stress points forms the highest quality pouch on the market. Count on this pouch's superior craftsmanship to work overtime and get the job done. This is the ToughBuilt Builder Pouch. It's not just a pouch, it's tough built.